Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, student? Hope you will be fine and safe at home. I am your maths teacher of grade 4. Now we will start exercise 7.2 on page 40. That is about HCF. HCF means highest common factor. We did our previous exercise 7.1. In that exercise we did factor of given number and also common factor. So here we will write common factor and then highest common factor. Now in question number 1 we have find the common factor and HCF of the following. So we have number 1 is 12, 24 and 48. So we will write factor of 12. In one table where come 12? 1 12 is 12. In two table 2 6 are 12. In three table 3 4 are 12. So these are factor of 12. Now we will write factor of 24. Even number 1 24 are 24. In two table 2 12 are 24. In three tables where come 24? 3 8 are 24. In four table 4 6 are 24. Now we have another number 48. 1 48 are 48. In two table, since 8 is even number, 4 is also even number. In two table 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 2 24 are 48. In three table where come 48? First we will check is it divisible by 3 or not. We will add 48. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 make 12. It means it is divisible by 3. So I will check it here. 48 by 3. 3 1 is 3. We have 1. Now the next number is 8. 3 6 are 18. Remainder is 0. So it is divisible by 3. 3 16s are 48. Now in 4 table 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 4 12 are 48. Now in 5 table 8 is even number, so it is not divisible by 5. So we will divide it by 6. 6 8 are 48. 8 6 are 48. These are factor of 48. Now we will write the common factor of these three numbers 12, 24 and 48. 1 is common in 12. 12 is common. 1 is common in 24 and 1 is common in 48. So I will write it 1. Here we have 2. Next number again 2. Next again 2. So we will write 2. 3 3 3. So I will write 3. Now we have 6 4 4 4. I will write 4. 6 6 and 6. I will write 6. The next number is 12 12 and 12. I will write here 12. The common factor of 12, 24 and 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we will write the highest common factor of these number. 1 is smallest and 12 is highest. So I will write here highest common factor is 12. HCF is 12. Now we have another question, that is 14, 49 and 36. First I will write factor of 14. 1 14 is 14. 2 7s are 14. Now 49. 49 is 49. 9 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. For 3, 9 plus 4, we will get 13, and 13 is not multiple of 3, so it is not divisible by 3. 49 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 4. 9 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 5. Now we have number 7. In 7 table we have 7 sevens are 49. 1, 7 and 49 are factor of 49. Now next number we have 36. Third number is 36. 163. 163 is 163. Now next, by 2. 3 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now for 3, 6 plus 3, we will get 9, and 9 is multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. 3, in 3 table, 6 comes, 3 2s are, and 3 1s are. 3 21s are 63. Now we have next number 4. For 63 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 4. 3 is odd number and it is not divisible by 5. Now number 6. 63 is odd and 6 is even number, so it is not divisible by 6. Now in 7 table, 7 9s are 63. Now we have factor of 63 is 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63. Common factor of these three numbers 14, 49 and 63 is 1 is common in 3 numbers. Now here is 2, here is not 2, here is also not. 7, 7 and 7. Next number is 7. There is no another number common in these 3 numbers. So we have 1 and 7 common factor. And in these 2 numbers, highest number is 7. So I will write 7 highest number. HCF is 7. It's page number 40 and 41. You will complete all these parts, remaining all these parts. Your homework is page number 41. Do all these questions on your copies. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.